Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has lamented that the security challenges in the country are becoming more overwhelming as Nigerians are no longer safe on roads, in trains and at the airports. The former president said this at his presidential library in Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital, when he received a PDP presidential aspirant, Dr. Ugochukwu Williams.
Where the train, you are not safe on the road, you are not safe in the train, you are not safe at the airport. Then what remains? And that is a very, very serious situation.
Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.